Etina watch you monso no. You go so Bawku nsensem na ho. Others say until that some eba de Bawku will forever be in the news. Now Okatakyie Afrifa mensa bonsu. In fact, bia na se unim Bawku ntokwa no ba start free a free for abekyerkyere mu. De ye ya Bawku ntokwa no kra ehya ase hwan ene hya akyiri na ede ne kofa bai wa bekyerkyere mu. No we na obe fire IGP Yohonu Christian. Once IGP call hono ema na go pass mdwe at the end of the day no just say a backfire idea no the call you know. Adwene no boy na the call in fact e ko backfire ema boys no crowd 22 wo Bawku hono mo. Ade okoye no in fact Okatakyie Afrifa mensa abe fire IGP pass IGP we no ontimi nya adwuma no. IGP ntimi nya adwuma. Na face wo be fire government so far as Bawku issue no eye concern. Aha Penyah block media. Mesra say ne dey mo. Over like video under room, over subscribe button, and snap click about notification and latest update. Now by channel wide and mama ever comment section. That's all baswa. No share video money so any be ashare. It is so you'll be able to follow this very channel. This week in now, I'll be making videos explaining the ongoing, crisis in Bawku. I'm a trust and in a chieftaincy dispute. Man pressing for honomo. Any kusasi for I'm a trust Bawku as an and kiye komwa. And kusasi for land because only didn't come better now Bawku honomo. But man prison for so be kan ho achepe yi e ma man prison for so e be dawson it now man prison for so e say they also own allegiance to the land. It has as so betima yomu dia be enu say ye yi ahensem dia any almost so they qualify say ohene e be free omo man prison tribe ni mu ahemfo me no a edi apirapire e ye kusasi for leader that is Zugran Naba Azigri Azuka and man prison for so a leader Abdullahi Mahami, or say, Etia him from anyway. Kusati for leader, and a man for leader, and as a Omo Edia Prapre, Efa, who ascend the Bawku Naba throne. Or Honomo. And I go find the Kawin in Amen, once we in Nano. Abba.
Okufo, Omashi police dying. I swear. This is where the police are staying in Bawku. They burn it. They burn the police, this embarrass. This Bawku, this is happening here in Bawku. They are burning the police barracks. Yes. They are burning the police barracks. Oh, Ciuberno.
It's weekend I've been giving you update the echoes to Yohonu. Now concerning this issue of Bawku conflict, now I starting and seeing gidi no. Every for Abet na in fact. Nekasa Shasian or the can explain Bawku and some oko in the details. There be a starter is a unchroma pens or starter and name a call for buy. Every for the can echiremu Yohonu.
Now you're sorry free tariffs and some Nyanko a very sensitive matter. I'll try as much as I can to be measured with a year. Sad topic we was a very sensitive. Deck. What's Bawku Ntokwa? When my dear buy. When him na baby a chance free. What you say kura? Obi. My young country should be said. Mokai Rwanda Ntokwa. Rwandan in genocide no. Bawku Ntokwa na nyini che no. Obi. Me no ka say. Bawku Ntokwa ni the only place in Ghana. Omoni I think Alabanyo ni Nkunya. Obi. And for the past 25 years, Yamu Omoda na Jubia from 6 to 6. Ya pass mra maku executive instrument maku 200 on Bawku fight. Obi. ɛne yɛbɛsua adeɛ ne ahwɛ baabi afiri baabi ɛdeɛ koraa ne ntɔkwa no kusasifoɔ hɔ mampurisifoɔ hɔ ɛnɛ ntɔkwa no koraa no ɛyɛ kusasi ne mampurisifoɔ wɔ bɔko nko ana ɛko anaa atera akɔ yɛ nua no mmosifoɔ so atera akɔ ntɔkwa no koraa no ebinom firi baabi de ɔmo ho wura mu anaa mampurugufoɔ a ɛwɔ Burkina ɛdeɛ na asie ɔmo bɛka adeɛ yi politicians no ɛdeɛ role na ɔmo play. These are relevant questions we will ask. ɛdeɛ nti koraa ne yɛntimi nsɔbe na yɛwura John Mahama ka asɛm bi wɔse bɔko no NPP ɛba aban mu a na yɛ hee NDC ba aban mu a na yɛ hee yɛbɛhwɛ ne nyinaa. We will ask the questions. ɛyɛ dɛn na NDC wɔ aban mu a ɛnyɛ hee na wɔakura na NDC waba ana asa yɛ hee ɛti sɛ ampa asa yɛ hee di a ɛdeɛ nti na yɛ hee. We will look at the history obi and political influence. One mo na finance wɔn ɛdeɛ etu a wɔn use so very scary ɛnɛ ntɔkwa na tera beduru sɛ kobi yɛtumi enya akukuduro eshuti IGP car and IGP is begging. So mo ɔne yɛ nyanteɛ sɛ IGP Christian Tete Yohonu wakɔ bɔko no ana wɔse bɔko fo mranteɛ ɛfo matuo mu hɔ na ɔpa wɔ makyɛw tianie o IGP sɛ deɛ ne ha no ɔpa wɔ makyɛw sɛ ɔmo mfa tuo ne mu hɔ na sɛ do police recruitment a ɔbɛ prioritize wɔn. So prioritizing them means that ɔbɛ mu ɔmo first ɛyɛ right of ɛyɛ entry as opposed to etiman prison ni kusi ase fɔmfɔm tuo mu hɔ mɛtɛn nam so ɛdeɛ ɛnyɛ no korɛ. Na yentie na yɛn setting yentie.
To you to lay down your arms, have confidence in us, so that together we work and then we bring peace to this area. We assure you that when it comes to recruitment, we will give the people of Bawku clarity. And so we are appealing to you to lay down your arms, have confidence in us, so that together we work and then we bring peace to this area. We assure you that when it comes to recruitment, we will give the people of Bawku clarity.
Okay, Govi, I was all of a sudden IGP aba. Also one cancer. You video no so one cancer and I was like IGP Christian Tete Yohonu. Wait okay yentino
to receive the droppers. So the assurance we gave to them is that put down your weapons, and when it comes to recruitment, we'll give you the advantage to participate. Go through the normal process. I didn't say anything wider to maybe to show the requirement, but it looks as if the media is publishing something quite different. They will go through the normal process.
Okay, so Mr. IGP, let's be very honest with you. I know said there are talks, say na me support a year a dampare, and I find you could see him a Diabatwabano a day before. There was a warning from one of your guys. Say me wo babe ya IGP. Me I don't care those things. I'm not afraid. Etinya no kwenta mbeka. But IGP, and then you know nimkomo. You were very emphatic. Say, lay down your arms, and when it comes to recruitment, we will give you priority. Brofo na wanti asia. Because we dey meka ye no. Ebi anya sa na me meaning. Now, the ripple effect of Assembly what can I say? Yet we are not already. And yes, there be economic reasons meeting or moko. And yes, a combi duomo. And yes, we see a good. They are fighting based on ideology. Now IGP say, Sankrofui, Yamomo Kwai, Yanum Kusasi, Mamprisifo, Yamomo Kwai, Nomo Samra military, Emera police, now for Monsieur 23 years, and may I expect Nomo Sanko. When you decode what he said, we will give you priority. At the end of the day, if Kwame Nkrumah pensu, from Kwame Nkrumah pensu, and one must say, Kusasi ne Mamprusi and Tokwana Yadebadia. No, so Mamprusi for her, Kusasi for her, near no more ye, a boy, my dear Ben, and no dear. What kind of story no? Ebiso na Kusasi for no ha, and the Mamprusi for buy ye, ever born one contokwa, no way more buy no. Stories na baby will be a kind of side, where more buy no. We mo buy no ana on beboa we mo nanso na kusase fo no need the structure of ahenie no ana man prusifo na what the structure of ahenie no enjoy ana akoye say na afa say na yesi kwame nkroma nso abrofo yi sakobi anema abrofo yi de be yo wo mo buy na divide and rule wo mo divide kusase ni man prusifo mo tie asundwe mo boko anuanom ana wo mo divide wo mo ana na abrofo ni one part dealie wo mo say oh kusase fo na complain say ana man prusifo no no money abrofo ni dili more and abrofo ni person mo sisinti kusasi fo ne do so chairman prisi they are about 60% of the population ama man prisi for me about 20 to 30%. It why any ade no ana mo si o abrofo ni na gya ye sa effect o mo divide ye nuanom kusasi ni man prisi fo Kwame Nkrumah nso baye ana wo yesa na ye nuanom man prisi fo no yesa ni ade dia ene ma me nkɔhye kusasi fo na chi na menya wo mo so support ana wo mo flame ya political tensions obi ya inflame sa political tensions ya besi ne wo from Kwame Nkrumah penso na kusasi ni man prisi fo ntɔkwa na wo ho abesi ne ho na asase ne ne dia ho na bedi hene ho na eboko na aba ho na yesei na say from 1985 besi ne ya pass EI executive instrument more than 200 obi afen to kwayi bejai enyai ani eda so te ho ani ebusa sadai enti to kwanka wankran yanka political aspect come on solve problem de dara e o kuma se come on solve the only reason o mon solve no if it's a political class no benefit from it and then e behwe
o we na for better see IGP Yohonu so what IGP Nancy IGP eko honmo last week Friday ana ko pass me back IGP call no asemo a na ko de ko ne say boys ne munya abotre na mama kuma emra for no obi anfa ne weapon engu for na say mo de weapon ego for mo eye me IGP Christian Yohonu me she mo bo say Bawku youth mo de weapons ego for mo obi police mo kwan e wo Bawku a eye easy e wo bi a wo Bawku se obi police mo kwaya se mutie me na mo de weapon ego for mo e na mabunu ga say there be IGP enya appointment na appeal yen ka say pe adwuma ye pa asumdwe eye chieftaincy edi wo ba ada say munyai position say na position e ma ye say boss nkura bufu IGP e mo mutu ni tuo nyina wo ho no mo
Zo pesanso. Wa. Boy. Ubwa. Waka ni wina. Yeah. Hina mungu.
Well, me brought video on that. I didn't IGP quite as my IGP got can hold on. Every factor says IGP only serious. He's already dead on arrival as Ghana's IGP. In fact, about fire Mahama in this government in the Shimubi.
Mahama Ayariga said, "Oni ni nua APC Ayariga, Hassan Ayariga, omo said dey. Etwamu ye kusasi fo no. It is believed say omo ye tilted towards NDC. Omo so ye the majority. And it is believed these are political tensions. Some man prisi for ni tilted towards. It's Dr. Mahama Ayariga so man prisi. It why any idea. No mo shade wenye more. If say whenever there is tension there, a benefit political class ni bi. E ho ye din agobi na a benefit MPP. It baka Hawa Yakubu. Is it Hawa Yakubu? That was the first time we win Bawku seat Emma MPP. Na yera Jomama ka sembi. Yenkɔ ne entie Jomama asem. Yenkɔ ne entie. Yentie de Jomama ka sembi for Bawku. Or say whenever we are in power, NDC is in power, there is peace in Bawku. Whenever NDC is in opposition, then there is chaos. Kobi, me we yenkasa to we shouldn't fight on political lines. Yenti.
Time NDC is in government, Bawku is at peace. Unfortunately, as soon as NDC leaves government, the Bawku crisis flares up again. Anytime NDC is in government, Bawku is at peace. Unfortunately, as soon as NDC leaves government, the Bawku crisis flares up.
Okay, so Mr. President, this is a very reckless statement coming from you. A very reckless statement coming from a statesman. Whenever NDC is in government, and the one of the market for my say, Kusasi for the doors, chairman, which is a fact. Now, so Kusasi for the doors on the air, and you're more inciting to Kwanwa, and I'm saying MPP Wabe Muntino, Kusasi for the game, say Momo Bar, and I'm betting your boy Mama come to it won't control Mama, and Kusasi for all over the country. It is a wasamoko opposition, and Antokwa Badia, and the one in Nunun Tokwanim. If the MPP near this one and Tokwana benefit, so Kusasi for near Tilto to West NDC, and the Antokwasi who that's MPP were Bemwa, on back of 12 MPP. And yes, sir, it's Mr. President. Whenever NDC is in opposition, then Antokwasi a year, one name Flammy, one name a century. You better ask questions. And the America say, a movie away from a year communal fight. The thing keeps on extending. Now it is becoming a full-blown war zone. And I mean, Mahama Ayariga fee, Omudi Jatum, MP, Obi. It tells you how baby you do know. The people do not even fear a state authority anymore. Obi, your bedroom pensobia, and they every day they are killing themselves. And political class, they are behind it. You busa Mahama Ayariga. Ugo busa Mahama Ayariga say so. Mema me a imam prisini. Mbape kusasi. So I'm a son of the soil. Meanwhile, when Timin Kasame support kusasi men support imam prisini. Why am I just able to say that? Kobi, I don't want to fight anymore. And no more. And I mean, say every day they are attacking people, killing people, and the sophisticated weapons of now grow, attacking people. And I mean, say yeah, intel war grounds. Efrayan was say and now free a year Bawku. So Okwa Bawku is in such a way that the middle of Bawku is predominantly a year a Mampusi. And the extra Mampusi for no was here, a predominantly Kusasi. So before so bet me a free baby, I'll be rap Bawku main town. You must go through the Kusasis, and it is presumed. So Bas Bia Eba. To the main town, it is presumed that a Yeman Prusifo, so they attack those buses. And no free Mamprusi, a main Bokono so no. It is presumed that Omo Yeman Prusifo and Kusasifo attack you. So when it is coming to also the vice versa, Gobi, and the Meroka say every day they are killing themselves. The last time I'm reporting, I'm seeing the part 300. Only me himself because of psychological warfare. It is more than 300, and the security agencies know. They've picked intel on it. But they don't want to say so. You come more man process than kusasis. I don't want to say we say you come more kusasis than man process. It you know mu come man no dey see. But question you busa na say. Etro no mu use no. Why na toma o? And then it's gotten to a point say omu nsuro say even the #1 chief enforcement agent in this country. A whole IGP. For IGP car no ya 22. The whole IGP of the Republic, the #1 chief enforcement agent of the Republic, Govi, and they are trying to catch you. I'm saying, security agencies, Japa, the failure of the state agencies, national security, Japatia, and the Yabutunti, and the IGP cow. And yet, me and Yakudu. Now, so mobile IGP cow to and your commander in chief on the next one will be John Mahama. What I say? Kovi, yet me to IGP Katu. Kovi, who could do terrorist war zone, Kurana? There are certain parameters you don't cross. You don't cross them. So even Oko drug cartels now to say yes, be even police informant or drug cartel. We do not attack him because when you attack him, you have a full-blown the whole security force coming after you and you can't survive it. It's to the extent see it me attacking IGP. And this is the fellow of the state too. It's a Bokono. Imagine yourself for 25 years and cry ha. Your mama now. Your mama pay and I go from 6 in my come up with them. Now they choose 6 in my pay 25 solid years. And political class in your mind is on best of it because they benefit from it.
More fire.
They benefit from it.
More fire.
The security of our nation. And you have IGP too. By now, you know kusasi for any man pussy for. Even say omuye at loggerheads or mokontokwa. Anybody who tries to attack a policeman, omuankasa should be able to bring him out. Hey, and the police for. When him say you do state here, osuma police for say omunko bokwa, omun because they are attacking the police. And you busa say the India. No, so MPP was no. The vice versa. Man police for ni nyabaki beni diaben and fire him no more attack. At the end this year badia. And almost so back here, Kusasi for the and some who say, I almost so much you go. And some who say, oh, and you didn't know more. Political class, no, on your mind. And then I bedroom pempens was say, who tremble boko, no one any of the party. And yes, a political class in Bisa only Mobia, some Mahama Ayariga, say Hassan Ayariga, oh, Freno, not almost commercializing a year the woo passage, you know, 89, Miss Etchen war soon, and then to quality me at to the stance, and your Bokon Yaku, or Tia Shaiman, or Kusasini, or Shannon Riani Mampusini war Shaimana, on any coon, or be a Kusasi ni wo northwest o sheni nua mampusinia one ne ko and then secondary school say what sample temu kofi wonim so ma shase for me camps mampusi for camp and it was secondary schools and the national security is there they are not doing anything. It's becoming a full-blown war. Every Bawku so called a Burkina kofi yani atia ne yese border dem omam to there's no border o edidi wa ha gare wa ha no ada ha we girlfriend here we see Burkina and soon the insurgency as you bebre. So national security, Jakwa. Menotia yakum immigration for, yakum police for, yakum, and for the past 25 years, Yanchi will be a prosecutor for murder. Yanchi will be a prosecutor for murder. The political class is embodying them. And then you better to Menoka say national security for radio, and you guys, you know. Say 2 hours we use AK-47, M16, AR-15 yande. There is no way on Penyah sikato. Some more political class in this church.
More fire. More fire.
AK-47 you go be. So the political class is benefiting for Bokontokwa. Boni wo mutirim. Tomo your imagination beso. Akame hu yi. Say we don't as part of mediation, conflict resolution. You don't only go there and throw lights there when there is war. You go there even when there is peace, because there should be a systematic continuation of the peace agreement. Say then come kusasi for ne man prisi for bobo ni amana ya national attention. Nanka munu ya no mo kusasi for man prisi for mo ma be ye wo political class ni. Nanka mo shia mo twa picture fefefe nanka ti abeto o mo mpere sa because it benefit them politically. It benefit them. It benefit them. And then I say, Mamprosi Fono, although we are a smaller group in Ghana, but we be Burkina, our Mamprugu a kingdom, a very large kingdom in Burkina. And Anuya, Mamprugu a kingdom, no Burkina, Wamoke Nwaba a year, Nalerugu, and the Boku a Mamprosi for Penny Fona Bishia. I catch and say, so a Pemema, or better any member free Burkina Faso, and an Abramo. And this is not concern to Jakwa. This is not concern to national security. More normal. Jomama memu when they atu Jakwa. Mr. Burkina a Mampurugu kingdom in Burkina. Omaba. Almost say Mampurusi for na wahano so pebebe train omo mena. Omo form mram a Burkina. And we sit down and this is a joke. Is this a joke? Kofi, is this a joke?
It's a joke.
I didn't say Boko Haram started you. Not East Nigeria. My degree was say I almost started. After do baby was a no-go zone.
More fire. More fire.
And maybe I don't know. So much me and Yakukuto act to IGP Yohonu. What will be the next step? Tomama no mbuntu. What will be the next step? The only danger in it is that a bedu baby kurano and yan to kwa nombe kun because they want attention. They will move down south and omba be blasted nyoma just to get the attention of the authorities. And national security and the intelligence and mapeke. Jakwa di onimani se muhuru ne etu ahye ne ha jakwa ntimi nsi fom si ya to national ya to police too by now ya to police too a kokomba ayi na number kokomba war JJ Rollins was suma boys do within 2 seconds all the men the able men they run away.
Yeah.
So the political class is not ready to solve the problem. Obi, they are not ready. Cause a benefit of Mumusa Hassan Ayariga, Mumusa Mahama Ayariga, Omu Yenuanum, and the entire Mudisako and praying for a Kusasi for him, and the Mampusi for him. No one to call it for peace. If it's a benefitable, and then I'm free. Kovi, and then I'm free more.
Ask them.
The political class, and then Makwama peace in Ma. Kovi. Omoma pisi so mada ne yenuanom so amie omania ombekọ so akọ omo hu say ya if say we se me na asase ne amdia we se me na me hene we se me na mdi hene we se we dia na we yaba and I want to kwa no moko ideological battle. And it's so dangerous that if we don't take steps, and there I'm say AK-47, Danny, for AK-47, AK-47 you, Kofi a sophisticated weapon, a weapon I wouldn't any gas on top. Some me pursue and I pump action. Where you on the gas? It's one at Tomamo. I want AK-47, and I quite the Oma and say AK-47 Omoya, near CSA, Chanono, Jerry Boa.
Why you do? More fire.
Why not AK-47 mom? For AK-47 aboba echere omuni enrade. And AK-47 aboba ngovi. Sa aboba we see some nipa 10 line. At close range, but me a bomb me nipa 10 nyina at one close range. One at two, one at two AK-47 for AR-15 for chiro and M16 for chiro. Yeah, ni pabonefo political class ni pabonefo way AR-15 and away M16 egovi se wobenya bia to $3,000 even the bullet nkwano about $600 that is about 10,000 Ghana cedi na yebusa question the otonkuto the odiamo eboboko no o sika ereto sa tui with political class AR-15 M16 na mode mo no why ni triaka mo ye ni poponefo
Fire them.
Fire them. Why the tracker AR-15 Kofi sophisticated weapons and ye use woboko
Fire.
na ye no kwa yasa de ama wawie no esa akire oto esa akire oto ye busa political class no why the training woman na why the train for the cost of the training she trouble boy obi when ye use woboko ni yeso okọ omu sili mu ne adi na jakwate ha esemhunu onya nkrofo fie kọ semfunu na obi bebusa Mahama se edi enti ne yebeto aba obeka ya yewura Mahama ko promise kusasifo se oba obe create region fofo and ani wo say video no ayemo and you see Mahama is not being honest with the fight okọ I will create a new region I say mo MP okay yenti Mahama yenti
the Upper East region to cover the 6 constituencies in the Bawku area. Bawku Naba raised it with me, and I told him, in principle, I think it's a good idea for 2 reasons. One, for reason of bringing government closer to the people. That's the principal reason for which we create new regions and new districts. And then the second reason is for security. Bawku is a special security zone. That region.
Jomama Friso. Obi Obwa. When him Jomama ye. Also be Fred region Daily Graphic you omo report no. Fatu senior reading momo. For Daily Graphic report by. Also be friend Kuswago says Kuswago region. Okay? So it is possible to create a new region in Bawku. Mahama assures on first day of campaign tour of Upper East. Now them do the friend be a dog whistle comment in political circles. Dog whistle comment is using a certain code language to be able to lure a certain group of people to vote for you without offending the other. So this was a dog whistle comment that the Mama made that it is likely. So the intent who could create a region was already story no or say the region will be called what Kusauk region. So Kusauk region means we are going to create a region for the Kusasi people.
More fire. More fire.
We will create a region. And your mama is fueling the tension by this. And like I said, it's a dog whistle comment. And dog whistle comment, you know, or person Kusasi for the 2 man as opposition against a man position. And that is what he's doing. So your mama should not pretend. Say one way or the other, or person to one ending. Meanwhile, you are one of the people fueling it. Through this comment, the bar make creative region for. So you are saying we will flash the Mampusi people out. That was a code language to say that we will flash the Mampusi people. Meanwhile, at this point, what we need is not division. We need cohesion.
Exactly. Tell him.
There is hypocrisy.
Precisely.
I will call on Minuanom Ayaman Pusi, Kusasi, and Tokwawe. I will older than Rwanda. And the Rwanda come. I'm a Rwanda ye. Still a Bokoda Soko. And benefiting Grophobia. National security for and benefiting one. Every week be a Yamuses Kadodo bind the Koboko. Every week. The government spends several millions of dollars on Boko fight. A ban intelligence gathering, a ban say Sobi, and the police they are not even able to go to Boko. And we sit down as a nation, and the failure of the national security. When the Japan Jumau, by now Japan Quadro, in the Wula Japanana, Kamuye Kade, or side down no, a gringo, a picture now try. Now Kade gringo picture now draw. Chuck Norris. The only man is Funu, every Rankofo and Kran. Our Brankofo go, a Yabo Boko, Yoku Yemian Mukomo, Ebre, a man in Kola Ebre. I'll make appeal to Miniano. Meaning, appeal will mean anything to you. And fashion, there should be a consensus. And may any fresh and Santa in said to Tumra, and make one woman get it's a political class in a full well, because of Penyah a year, a vote to every one. She is sick. The Kurana dear, Mumia Nyanka. Mokonto kwana a political class and a church. Gobi, what him said, Namenoka say, so be Trembokwa, so Pencrofo, and Momo Gado car, what your muka. So they are commercializing a tagri, and that is how terrorism starts. My degree, say Anna Boko Haram starting. Betu baby no go area, and the very day that a police member, I know say small police force one kwa, we drew northeast also Bawku, and so no. Yes. Na IGP akwa me shoot no. Na yet me who ye kene. Who shoot the IGP car? Are you serious? The whole police force should have been in Bawku.
Precisely.
The whole police force. Now IGP only inspiring. IGP is there begging the people. Who should do? You don't do that. The shoot to IGP car. The shoot to IGP car. Now we are Antwa. Police in the bed acquire Yunkuru. And IGP says he is begging.
More fire.
Many are not Pusasi for. Many are not Mampusi for. Share, Gobi. Me bury as I do Makana, and I am so sure Sule is dead. The way Omukunkum Omohono. Other than that, Nipa Aminini, my first point of contact, your friend Suli, or Imam Prusini, one a chair me minim Sakasa Mekania, Chicha Nkuruga, Yanko Sensumra, Chanchan Zuana, kɔfa kan na bra yɛn kɔfu na ayi chamena kamena chama wɔn na kyerɛm saa kasa wo tidi akɔso no gobi ɛyɛ me ya political class but mesrɛ mo Moses Sandehine nkɔ kan asɛm no a o mewie ma mo ntwa na pa o nya san so de mo nkɔ frɛ dɔma Chuck Norris no nkɔ mo ma dɔma nkɔ nya san mo ma dɔma Chuck Norris nkɔ agya hinie ne bi nso nkyɛ bi ti mo ma ɔno ni kan nya san mo de Santini kɔsi saa na ɔyɛ yɛ me bo a ɛyɛ yɛ nuanom ayi peace ba ayi ɛno so mo wie mo yɛ awurade Santini so abrɛ o papa mi Gobi, the political class and moment conscience should guide you. Man, proceed kusasi for Moha. Monsha see and you picture, any video, any meetings, and chairman Crawford is a mobile and Wakabo, Munyani Pop Bonism, Mahama Ayariga, Hassan Ayariga, any Munian Mamua, Santo Quadamon for Sudia, Monsha see and come home, more organize a groma almost, Naman meetings. Conflict resolution processes. Omunye. When you need ya, you know, for more to the point say, even northwest region, northeast, western north, when him said most of the areas of Kusasi for Doso, MPP lose vote Wunyra. It will be a shed I could lose Santo Quanim. Kenyam ti Mahama ya aware sent to kwano koso abo ndisi so onya so ye say ani opposition ya na wa asere ye wa ban mu na ye de bai Yohanu nka no koraba
kire wa dwema me e wo comments we need superment any gumbi Okatakyie Afrifa mensa bonsu abebo concerning Bawku crisis ensem we nyina no wa gen kire e wo ho ene say kire wa dwema me e wo comment section aha ye Penyah blog media Accra.